Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Professor Hassan and you are watching my channel Professor Hassan Hamayon. Alhamdulillah, Assistant Director STAD preparation session is progressing with great success. Students of mathematics, statistics and economics have joined this session from different cities of Punjab. Dear students, my WhatsApp numbers are given. Do send me a message and get yourself registered in that important session. Today I will discuss very important and technical and conceptual questions of probability for the PPSC exam. Let's start. Question number 1. A random experiment contains. Dear student, there are three concepts: accident, experiment and random experiment. Accident is an unplanned activity which gives results. Experiment is a planned activity which gives only one result all the time. Now, random experiment is a planned activity which gives two or more results. For example, Pakistan and West Indies play a one-day international match. There are three possibilities: Pakistan will win, West Indies will win and draw match. This is the random experiment. It means at least two results. Next question. An event which cannot occur. Dear students, it is called impossible event. Whenever the probability of occurrence of any event is zero, it means impossible event. For example, you have a box. There are green, red and yellow box. And what is the probability of black ball? This will be zero. This is impossible event because there is no black ball in the box. Next question is, two coins are tossed, the sample space is. Whenever we toss one coin, the sample space formula is 2 raised to power 1 is equal to 2, head and tail. Whenever we toss two coins, 2 power 2, 4 results: head head, tail tail, head tail and tail head. Whenever we toss three coins, 2 power 3, 8 outcomes. Whenever we toss four coins, 2 power 4, 16 outcomes. Next question is, classical probability is measured in. Dear students, classical probability is the subjective approach. It is in ratio favorable over total, m over n. Next question is, classical probability is based on A option favorable outcomes, B total outcomes, C both. Answer is both. Favorable over total, in which we are interested, this is the numerator and total is the denominator. Next question is very important. The limiting relative frequency approach of probability is known as. It is statistical probability. Limit n approaches to infinity, m over n. It is the objective approach actually. Next is, axiomatic definition of probability was proposed by Kolmogorov. Statistical definition of probability was due to von Mises. Next question is, A intersection B is 0. Whenever there is nothing common between two events, then the events are mutually exclusive events. Next question is very important for the paper and the written test and the interview. Mutually exclusive events are always dependent. Next, not mutually exclusive events, they can be independent and they can be dependent. Next is probability of A given B. Dear students, what is conditional probability? The probabilities associated with the reduced sample space are the conditional probabilities. The formula is very important. Probability of A given B. B is given and you are to calculate probability of A. Conditional probability, this is probability of A given B. Formula is probability of A intersection B over probability of B. Next question is very important paper question. Probability of A given A. It is always 1. B given B, 1. C given C, 1. D given D, 1. Next question is, 4 coins are tossed and I told you 2 power 4, 16 outcomes. Next question is, the probability of a sure event. There are 100% chances if you have a box. Only there are 4 red balls. Now what is the probability of red ball? It is 1. 100% chances of getting the red ball. It means sure event. Next question is very important. A is an event. A is the subset of B. Then probability of A is less than equal to probability of B. Subset means if all the elements of A are the elements of B, then probability of A is less than equal to probability of B. Next question is very important. A is an event. Then probability of A is less than equal to probability of sample space. Next question, A and A complement are complementary events in a sample space, then the correct option is probability of A plus probability of A complement is equal to 1. Dear students, if I say A is the event, if I toss two coins, both are heads, it is A, then A complement will be not both heads. It means probability of A plus probability of A complement is always equal to 1. Probability of B plus probability of B complement is always equal to 1. Next question is very important formula. Probability of A intersection B complement. Complement is only on B. Probability of A intersection B complement is equal to probability of A minus probability of A intersection B. Next question, an unbiased coin is tossed once. Two events H and T are called. Very important. A option mutually exclusive, B equally likely, C exhaustive, D all. All is the correct answer. If A, B, C are mutually exclusive events, then probability of A union B is equal to probability of A C. Probability of A union B union C is equal to probability of A plus probability of B plus probability of C. Next question, if A and B are two independent events, then probability of A complement intersection B complement is equal to what? It is equal to probability of A complement into probability of B complement. Product will be there. Next question, if A and B are two independent events, then probability of A given B, it is always equal to probability of A. Probability of B given A is equal to, next question is two events A and B are said to be independent events if probability of A given B is equal to probability of A and probability of B given B is equal to probability of B. Next question is very important. Note it down. A and B are two independent events. Probability of A union B is 0.75. Probability of B is not given. Probability of A is 0.5. You will have to calculate with the formula. Probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. And we know when two events are independent, probability of A intersection B will be equal to probability of A multiplied probability of B. Very important, odd ratio. A die is rolled, find the odd ratio against 5. Dear students, whenever we throw a die, there are 6 outcomes: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 is only one time, and the thing which is against 5, the numbers which are against 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, there are 5 numbers. Now question is, a die is rolled, find the odd ratio against 5. That will be 5:1. If they ask you find the odd ratio in the favor of 5, it means we are in the favor of 5. 5 is only one time. 1:5 will be the correct answer. Must comment on today's lecture and do subscribe the channel. Allah Hafiz.